Hi everyone. So I went and I did a run to Hobby Lobby when I was out of town. So I found this pack of mason jars and it's only missing one and it was $4. So this is not a normal thing that's gonna be on clearance. This is just something I got lucky with, and I just wanted to show you guys. Always go check your clearance because you just never know what you'll find over there. So now let's head inside and see what I bought. Okay, so I had stopped off at this store and it's not my normal one. It's probably like a good hour and a half away from me, but we were on our way somewhere. So I was so surprised that they had quite a bit of Christmas still left, and I forgot that I do have a pack of black ornaments that I also bought. So I'll have to go back to the car and show you guys that. But this was in their normal clearance. It was only 74 cents. It's so cute and tiny. It's just a little blinged elephant. I just really wanted this for myself. I just thought it was so pretty. Oh, there you go. You can see a little bit better. And then I love dinos, so I had to get this little dinosaur ornament. I don't even remember seeing this ornament at my local store, so I was really excited that I found it. And then Christmas is 90% off. Oh, if you take the last digit off, that's how much it is. So this was $1.19. So I got this guy. I'm gonna have to save him for next year. Like I said, they had quite a bit of Christmas. Oh, I actually have the box here. They had quite a bit of Christmas left, and I was really surprised. So they probably, no joke, had like a good like 30 of these boxes of ornaments. So I don't think you can tell, but it's like a shiny black. This one's a glitter black. This one is a matte black. No, can't see it too good. Matte black, glitter black, and then shiny black again. So these are shatterproof. Let's see. This came out to $1.60. There's 50 pieces. Wow, I didn't even realize there was that many. So I don't put black on my Christmas tree, but I do have a black little like 4-foot tree that I bring out and put my Nightmare Before Christmas ornaments on during October. So I thought that would be a nice little addition to that. So that's why I bought those, but I definitely don't need 50. That's a lot. And then Sunny Boy was with me and he wanted this one. It was $2.38. And it's just like a little Reese's Pieces, a little advent calendar. So I think it's these in here. These little like ones. And then there's like this little like word search in the back. So I'm gonna keep this one. I told him that I wanted to keep the box and he could have all of the candy inside. So we'll stick with Christmas. This was, oh my gosh, only 29 cents, you guys. So cheap. So it's to make little spoons. So if you do resin, this would be great because it's going to be easy to pop out. It already has like the little shine to it. So you can make some little resin spoons out of this, or you could do some chocolate spoons. And then they had this little gingerbread guy, again, only 29 cents. So you got a little gingerbread and little candy canes. You can also just use this for water and, you know, have some little ice cubes that are really cute. I have seen this one girl, I think on Instagram, where she'll put like berries or do like lemon. So that way she'll just pop these into like her lemonade. And I'm like, oh, I love that idea. But I think I might, I think I might pass those along to a friend that does resin. Okay, I was trying to pull out all the Christmas stuff. So these were only 19 cents, you guys. How cool is that? I do have a little mini cupcake tray. So I thought that these would even be good for like Valentine's Day. So I got those. You do get 100 little cups, so that's going to last me forever. I had seen somebody like put these in an embellishment box, like to be at the bottom, and I thought that was so cute. So since there's 100, I'm gonna save some for that. Also, if you make your own little paper box, you can definitely put these in a little paper box as well, and then, you know, just fill them up so you can have like some beads in here, some cabochons over here, you know, and just kind of like use it for packaging. So I'm gonna keep some for that. And then I was so surprised. Okay, I do not remember seeing these little Christmas lights at my store. And it says that they're little buttons. So these only came out to 29 cents. Oh my gosh, I would have died if they would have had a ton of these. They only had 2. This one I need to like glue that piece back on, so that's not like a big deal, but these are so cute. I don't remember seeing these. I probably have them in my stash and I don't remember. Who knows? So I think that's it from Christmas. So let me show you what I got for Valentine's Day. Oh my gosh, you guys. I did not see these at my store the last time. So there is like little gold sequins or glitter in there. And then it's just like all these different colors of love, which I think I have a paper pad that looks just like this that has like multicolors. So I think this is going to work great with that. This was $2.49, and then it was 40% off. So super good find on that one. And then, like I said, Sunny Boy was with me, so he asked if I would get him the little Valentine's Day pizza guy. So this is what he looks like. He has like little feetsies down here. So Sunny Boy wanted this one, and I told him that I would go ahead and get him that one. And then he ended up finding this French fry guy and said that his pizza guy needed a French fry guy. So I had to get him both of those. And these were $8.50 minus the 40. I want to say they were like $5 and change. So yeah, those are for Sunny Boy. I told him that he's going to have to wait until Valentine's Day to get them. Oh my gosh, there you go. Now you can see better. I just realized that I had my camera down really low. So now you guys can see everything better. So there's that. So I had seen quite a few people haul these from their store. So they look like little wax seals, but they're like little heart shape. I love these. I love making wax seals, so I had to have them. And these were $2.49 minus the 40% off. So I got those. And then I believe it was Tina's Craft Creations who showed this little jar of clay little confetti, it's called. And I had told her, like, oh my gosh, I did not see that on my store. I definitely need to have that in my life. Like, it's so cute. And then she was the one that told me that it's under the stickers. So if it wasn't for her telling me exactly where it was, I would have never found it. So under the stickers, there is this like little shelf, and I had to literally get on my hands and knees to get it out, because I kind of like bent over to look, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I can see it, but I couldn't, like, standing up, I couldn't angle my arm in there to grab them, so because they were like pushed all the way back. So I literally had to get on my hands and knees and stick my hand like in this like little like tray, not a tray, but like the little shelving that they had. I don't know, it was weird. So yeah, they were definitely like hidden back there. So thank you, girlie, for letting me know exactly where to look. So I'm so happy I found it. It was the last one, so I was like, yes. But I'll definitely check my store to see if there's any more. Oh, so this one was $3.99 minus the 40, but look, it has a white, pink, and red in there. So love that. I love that there's red. I wish there was more red in here though, because I'm not a pink girl, but it's like pink, purple. I can live with this. Even this, it's not like a super bright pink, so I can live with it. The only time I really use pink is during a Valentine's Day time. So I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day crafting with you guys. Okay, I think everything else I have was just in their clearance section. So this was 29 cents. I have no idea what it even is, but I was like, it's 29 cents. I gotta buy it because it's 29 cents. So we're going to find out together what it is. Oh my god, is it a balloon? Like, I can't even use this. Hold on. Okay, no, it was just folded kind of weird in like an oval shape. So now that I opened it up, it is just a giant bag, and there are 2 of them. So I don't know what I'd use this giant bag for. See, look, it's like round at the bottom. That's why I thought it was a balloon for a second, but no, it's just like a basket bag, I guess. So I might be able to like cut it up, I think, and maybe use it for like shakers maybe, because I mean the bag is really big. So yeah, I'll have to see what I do with that, but I'm so happy that I bought that for only 29 cents. And then, like I said, you never know what you're gonna find in the clearance section. Look, this was Spring Shop last year, so that makes this 90% off. So I paid 99 cents for this 3-piece right here. And as soon as I saw it, I was like, Maggie Holmes. I have so much of her, what was it, like tea garden or garden collection? I don't remember what it was called. I bought so much of that stuff because it was like my favorite collection that she ever came out with. And I just like hoarded it away. I hardly used any of it. So I'm like, okay, I need to bring it out. Like my motto for this year is use more, have less. Like use up my stuff, have less stuff because I'm drowning in stuff. So, but yet here I am shopping. I got a problem. I can't help myself. Like I can't pass up a good deal. So I got that one. Again, I don't like pink, but it was $1.24. I'm like, it's Dollar Tree price. So I grabbed it. I figured my mom could use it. My mom's not picky. So I was like, let me just grab that. I liked how it had the gold little edging to it. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to grab it. I bet you she'll use it. If she doesn't, I know my aunt will. So I'm like, somebody will be able to use it. And it was just, it's affordable. I'm telling you, I got a shopping problem. What can I do? So my mom had found these little buttons. She wanted them. They were only 74 cents. So I got her those. These were 74 cents. And they're just like giant little jemmies. I don't know what I'm going to do with them. But I'm like, for that price, I need them. And then this is a 2-piece. And it was on clearance for 99 cents. And it just says happy birthday. And tomorrow, the 12th, is Sunny Boy's birthday. So I'm like, that's perfect. You know, let's go throw some ribbon on here and hang it up on a wall. So I got 2 of those, which is nice because I can put one downstairs and then like one on like his bedroom door, I figured. So love that. So happy I got those, but look, it does shed a lot of glitter. That's the only downside of that. Then I found for $1.74, it's just some little dividers for my Happy Planner, which I love to use. This was regular $7, so that's a really good price. I really, really love the gold one in the background right there. And then I think there's a third one that I can't really see, but there's like little black peeking out. So I don't know. I think like one planner video with you guys, and I keep saying that I want to do more because I do use it all the time. So I have to work on that. Okay. This, I didn't really know what it was, but it was a quarter. So like, hey, let me just grab it. And it said it's something for like the bags. So I'm thinking that you put this at the bottom of the bag. So it's like a little tray to kind of make the shape of the bag. But then there was like this twine in there. So I'm like, I don't know what that was all about. But I figured for a quarter, I'll figure it out because they did have bags on clearance. So this one, I don't know how many's in there, but it says 74 cents. So I was like, you know what? Let me grab that one. This one didn't have no topper at all, but it was 74 cents. So I don't even know if this one will fit in this bag or not. But like I said, it was only a quarter, so I grabbed it. Then there was this one for 50 cents, which I don't know why this one's cheaper because this one definitely feels like it has more in it. This one says it's 25 bags. So I figured maybe this will fit in this bag if it doesn't fit in the other smaller ones. But when you send swaps out, you need all these bags. They're cheaper than Dollar Tree because that's usually where I get them. Or I'll get them at Walmart. And Walmart, they're like $2 over there. So yeah, I was like, let me snatch these up. They're under $1. I need those. And I think that's it. I think that's everything. That is everything that I bought. So in total for everything, I spent $40. That is not bad considering my most expensive item were these 2 little plushies for like $6 for Sunny. So how much were those plushies? I don't know, but everything was cheap. Oh, $5, $5.09. So yeah, everything was super, super cheap. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and we'll see you later. Bye guys.